Right, so what is machine learning? So it's, essentially a subset of artificial intelligence. So AI is, the ability for machines to kind of function as we do as humans, so to make decisions. Machine learning focuses on using data to learn. So it learns from data that's input and performs pattern recognition. That can be done in the forms of like linear regression or logistic regression, decision trees, those sorts of things. Then there's also deep learning, which is another subset that really attempts to mimic the human brain. It's not really applicable in the case of identifying lead. You need a lot of data for that to work. And it's commonly used in things like speech recognition or image analysis. But so for machine learning for predicting where lead is and where it is not, this is more like a clustering or sorry, classification problem. So you can see in this image on the left, this is just an example of what a decision tree might look like. You start with your inventory, and based on the training data set, the model is going to go down and it will perform these decision gates and then siphon data down one branch or the next branch. So they're called the leaves of the tree, essentially. You can also have multiple trees, so that would be like a random forest model would have trees of trees. So in this case, you can see it's going down and it's looking at a year built date and it's splitting off right there. So if it's above 1986, it may classify it into the not lead. If it's less than 1986, it may go on to look at things like the diameter of the line. If it's above a certain size, it can kick it out. And if it's below, it may continue down the tree and look at like sale price of the home, for example, and continue, so on and so forth as it continues to train that model.